What's going on, everyone? Chuck here with VMP Performance, and today I've got Mr. Derek Baran.
What's that? State my name. Okay, I'm Derek Baran, and
Here with his 2013 Grabber Blue Mustang GT. Derek brought us this car. He said, you know what, VMP, it's time to get the special treatment, time to get the Gen 3R blower on this thing, and we couldn't be more excited to provide that. So Derek, tell us a little bit about the car, what's done to it now?
all right, so this is obviously, like you just said, my 2013 Grabber Blue Mustang GT Premium. The car currently has a little over 23,000 miles. Bought it when it had 14,000, and since then, the only things performance-wise that have been done is a SVE off-road X-pipe with a custom dyno tune back in Richmond, Virginia. The car has made 400 wheel, well, 396 on 2 different dynos, and you know, it's pretty peppy the way it is, but I think VMP here is definitely gonna change my outlook on this car at the end of this week, and I'm just so grateful for this opportunity. VMP, thank you so much, and I'm just ready to give this to you guys, and I know it's gonna be in great hands, so.
We couldn't be more excited to have it here. It's funny, every time someone brings this car, they're like, oh, it feels pretty peppy at 400.
Yeah.
Like, this place ruins you. It ruins you.
I
Because
know
like when I started, I was like, oh dude, my car is fast. You know, 19 GT, this thing's a rocket ship. And then I drove some people's cars, like, all right, my car's pretty slow.
Yeah.
But we're excited to do that same thing with this thing. We're gonna get the Gen 3R on it, return the boost a little bit, and it's gonna be a whole new car when you get it back.
It is, it's gonna be a whole new car.
So oil pump gears, Gen 3R,
Yep.
still gonna be on 93 octane, but
93,
I think you're gonna be happy with the power it makes there. So we're gonna get this thing pulled in the shop. We're gonna let Jesse and Jeremy tear into it. And then you said you're gonna let me drive it when we get it done, right?
Yeah, I'll let them drive it. You know, it's my honor, my honor. I think it's gonna be a really fun project for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, and it's gonna be one for the books, that's for sure. All right, guys, so the vehicle is now pulled in, as you can see behind here on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and tackle oil pump gears, crank sprocket, and I think we're even gonna go ahead and throw in a braided clutch line. I couldn't be more excited to be here in Florida with VMP. The team is awesome. Everybody here is so humble, and I'm just so grateful that they took me under their wing and gonna get Blucifer to finally live up to the name. So if you guys wanna see more of this car in future videos, make sure you follow me on YouTube at DerekBaranProductions. Make sure you subscribe to their channel as well. Drop a like on this video. And guys, let's get this going.